In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in a PDF on your computer, laptop, or PC using a quick and simple method. Let's get started by opening your PDF file. Locate the PDF you want to work with on your computer, then double-click it. Most computers will open PDFs automatically in a built-in viewer or in your default PDF application. If it doesn't open, right-click the file, choose Open With, and then select your preferred PDF viewer. Once the document is open and you can clearly see the text, you're ready to move on. Next, look for the highlighter tool in your PDF viewer. This is usually found in the toolbar at the top of the window. The icon often looks like a marker or a pen drawing a line. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click on a comment, annotate, or markup option first. That will reveal extra tools, including the highlighter. Take a second to hover over each icon. Many apps will show a small label that says Highlight Text when you're on the right one. Once you've found the highlighter tool, click on it to activate it. You may notice your mouse cursor change shape, or the highlight icon might become colored to show that it's turned on. Some viewers will also show a small color picker at this point. If you want, choose a highlight color that stands out but is still comfortable to read through, like yellow or light green. Now you can start highlighting. Move your cursor to the beginning of the text you want to highlight. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag across the words or sentences you want to mark. When you reach the end of the text, release the mouse button. The selected text should now appear with a colored background. If you make a mistake, look for an eraser icon, an undo button, or right-click the highlighted section and choose an option like Delete or Remove Highlight. Continue this process throughout your PDF, highlighting the most important parts. This is especially helpful for study notes, contracts, or long reports where you want key information to stand out. You can usually change highlight colors later by selecting a highlighted section and choosing a different color, which can help you organize different types of information. When you're done, make sure to save your document so you don't lose your highlights. Click on File, then Save, or use the Save icon in the toolbar. After that, you can close the PDF, and the next time you open it, all of your highlights will still be there, ready for review.